Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Tala and Zahra. Hi, how are you doing, guys?
Mas, dipanggil Mami.
How are you doing?
Yes, we're good, we're good.
Good, Alhamdulillah. So glad to have you back in my class. Hari ini kita masih melanjutkan topik
Preposition of time.
Yes. Do you still remember what they are? Masih ingat ya apa aja prepositions of time-nya? Ayo. Cuma ada 3.
Oh, sebentar. Aku tak lihat kamera. Aku inget deh. Kayak, aku ingat.
Oh.
Tunggu aja sebentar, please.
Okay. Only 3 mirip sama prepositions of place.
Add in on.
Yes, add in on atau add on in atau on in add bebas nyebutnya dari mana aja. Penting cuma 3. Walaupun sama kayak prepositions of place tapi penggunaannya berbeda. Now, refreshment dulu. Cara gampangnya nih biar hafal. Kalau in itu untuk big. Big-nya maksudnya yang besar. Bulan kan besar lebih dari 30 hari. Tahun ada 12 bulan. Musim ada 4 atau 2 musim. Jadi kita pakai in untuk months, years, seasons, dan pengecualian. Pengkhususan waktu untuk in. Pakai the di depannya. Waktu in the morning, in the afternoon, ada the-nya depannya. Kurang F. In the evening, ada the-nya semua. Nggak boleh in night, di depan night nggak ada the-nya. Nah, kemudian kalau pakai on untuk small, yang kecil, contohnya nama hari. Days on Monday, on Tuesday. Kalau at tadi, bentar, salah. Oke, besar. Nah, kalau at untuk specific time, contoh specific time-nya apa? Pengucapan jam. At 8 o'clock, at 8:30, pokoknya pengucapan jam. Jadi telling the time. Atau spesifik hari, at night, ada night-nya. At present, spesifik nih. At the moment, at that day. Nah, contohnya. Oke, intinya seperti ini, cara gampang menghafalnya. Oke, kita refreshment dengan main quiz ya. Quiznya yang ini. Tentukan apakah pakai at, on, in, atau nggak pakai preposisi. Oh iya, tambahan lagi. Tadi yang nggak pakai preposisi. No preposition. Tulisnya no. No preposition itu biasanya pakai kata next, next year, next month, next week. Atau pakai kata last week, last month, last year. Atau pakai ada depannya this. This afternoon, this evening. Depannya ada this-nya. Oke, siap-siap. Mau bagiin linknya ya. Kalian ngadu. Linknya dibagikan di chat. So, here it is. Pengucapan jam nih. Bisa dibuka, Tala, Zara? I start working blank 7 o'clock. Is it at, in, on, or no preposition? So when telling the time, we use at. I start working at 7 o'clock. She was born blank May. Is it on, in, at, or no prepositions? Remember, with months, years, and seasons. Yes, that's the one. In May. Very good.
Buat aku nggak mau buka.
The store opens The store opens at, is it 9 a.m., Monday, June, or evening? We use at when we want to tell the time. At 9 a.m. Use Monday with on Monday. With month, June. We use in June. Evening, in the evening. I always feel excited. Now, specific time of the day. Kalau depannya ada the morning, the afternoon, the evening, pakainya in. Kalau seasons, pakainya in. We are going skiing in winter. Sudah selesai? Bisa? I have a swimming lesson blank the afternoon. Use in with a specific time of the day. In the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening. Nah, kalau ada kata next, last, I have plans to go to Bali blank next month. Kalau ada kata next, last, atau pakai this morning, this afternoon, this evening, no prepositions at all. Nggak pakai preposisi. Kalau mealtime, pakai add in atau oni. At lunchtime, mealtime, breakfast, lunch, dinner, pakainya at. How did it go? Bisa betul semua nggak nih? Oh, sudah ada. Yeay! Ini kayaknya Zara dua-duanya nih.
Sebentar, saya belum.
Oke. Di bawah setengah menit. Setengah menit lewat sedikit. 37.9 seconds.
Masih ketipu terus. Oke, let's try.
It's easy. Wow. You're confused.
Ya, sebenarnya mau
How was it? Bisa? Can you beat Zahra?
I'm trying to beat Zahra.
You have to be careful too. Let's try again.
No, don't try again, please.
Kita coba lagi dengan latihan. Don't worry. I have plenty of exercises and games. Udah lumayan nih. Kita latihan yuk. Bentar, cek dulu punya Zahra. Talah. Let me see. Can you beat Zahra?
Aku belum.
Oh, belum. Oke, belum.
Aku belum beat.
Ayo.
Ulangin lagi.
Yuk, kita coba dulu exercise yang ini. Buat Zahra yang sudah, tinggal diisi titik-titik dengan add, on, atau in. For example, number 1. I go to school, remember? Use in with specific times of the day. In the morning, and then use at when telling the time. I go to school in the morning at 8 a.m.
You made it.
Ya, link latihannya sudah ada di chat Zoom. Cek dulu lagi. Zahra.
Udah
punya
selesai.
tawa.
Bisa.
Udah. Oke. Finally. You can beat Zahra's time. Skornya sama, cuma menang di waktunya aja ya. Ya, latihannya ada di chat Zoom. Kasih penjelasan lagi. Fill in the blanks with at, on, or in. Let's take a look at number 1. This is an example. Contoh ya. Kalimatnya.
Salah semua. Ini ada yang salah tadi.
Okay, let's look at this exercise. Have you opened the link? Fill in the blanks with at, on, or in. Now, let's take a look at number 1. This is an example. I go to school, blank in the morning, blank 8 a.m. Use in with a specific time of the day. I go to school in the morning and use at when telling the time, at 8 a.m. Now you can do the rest. Ya, dikerjakan sisanya. I need to wake up at 7 a.m. to make it to school. Nah, penggunaan time ada dua. Bisa in time, bisa on time.
Thank you. Dikoreksi ya.
Okay.
Be careful with number 2. I need to wake up at 7 a.m. to make it to school. In time atau on time nih, ada dua. Dua-duanya betul, bisa bilang in time and on time. Tapi dengan pengertian yang berbeda. Kalau on time berarti tepat waktu, nggak telat. Tepat waktunya bukan berarti pas. Umpama masuk jam 6:30, datangnya jam 6:30. On time itu sebelum 6:30. Kalau in time berarti kalian udah telat. Bentar lagi kelasnya dimulai. Berarti kalau masuk sekolah harus on time, nggak boleh in time.
The first Monday. Okay. I'm learning this.
Tunduk.
Please. Pokoknya kalau kalian ngerjain hati-hati aja. Sewaktu-waktu mama cek. Oke.
Okay. What is that?
Jadi jangan asal kerjainnya. Karena sewaktu-waktu mama cek.
Okay. In the morning, at the morning, on the morning.
Kira-kira yang mana betul? Yang enak didengar di kuping, apakah in the morning, at the morning, on the morning?
Dah tahu.
Ingatnya specific time of the day. Waktu spesifik di hari.
Oh, oke.
Pagi hari, siang hari itu spesifik. specific time of the day kecuali night harus pakai at night. Kalau evening pakainya in the evening. Spesifik hari-hari perayaan, contoh ya, hari perayaan ulang tahun, perayaan Natal, tahun baru, hari perayaan, contoh lebaran, pakainya on. On my birthday, on Christmas Eve, on New Year's, on lebaran, pakainya on.
Kalau yang we need to live on 1 hour.
Pakai, kalau itu bacanya hour, haknya silent ya. Jadi kalau untuk pengucapan waktu, ini termasuk waktu, seperti telling the time, tapi ada penyebutan hour, minute, second, kita pakainya in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, in 45 seconds, pakainya in. Ini telling the time juga, tapi ada penyebutan hour-nya, minutes-nya, seconds-nya. Kalau pengucapan waktu,
weekends itu pakai gimana?
nggak boleh in. Pilihannya antara at sama on.
Yang
Kalau
weekends.
weekends, iya. Pilihannya antara at sama on.
Okay.
Kalau American English pakainya on, British English pakainya at. Mami lupa nih, kunci jawabannya pakai at atau in. Kalau Mami pakainya on, American English.
Oke.
Jadi bisa bilangnya at the weekends atau on the weekend. Weekendnya bisa pakai S, bisa enggak. Berarti kalau on the weekends dalam 1 bulan kan ada 4 akhir pekan, 4 kali ya. Jadi ada 8. Sabtu Minggu, Sabtu Minggu, Sabtu Minggu. Nah, itu weekends.
Mami, aku udah kirim.
Yes. Sudah. Oke, let me see. Cek dulu kunci jawaban. Oke, pakai on berarti ya. Yang di sini latihannya the weekends pakainya on. On the weekends kalau kalian isinya pakai at masih Mami betulin juga. Oh, sebentar. Belum masuk Tala?
Udah kirim.
Cek my answer atau email?
Email.
Belum ada. Bentar coba. Sebentar ya, diulang lagi. Belum masuk.
Bentar deh.
Sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Kayaknya agak ini nih delay ya. Lagi.
Belum.
Sarah bisa? Sudah?
Tadi mau masukin lagi. Tadi aku kirim.
Actually, 1 hour. What 1 hour? What else?
Coba cek lagi. Mami, coba cek lagi. Mami ke mute.
Oh iya, sorry, bentar, cek lagi ya. Nah. Oh, naruh ada. Oke, sudah masuk. Tadi berarti delay. Mungkin jaringan dari Mami atau dari Tala nih, agak delay. Let me see number. Kalau bulan, tahun, musim, pakainya in. Tadi udah dibilang nih birthday. Untuk hari-hari perayaan.
Okay.
Birthday, Christmas, New Year, Lebaran, semua hari perayaan pakainya at. Kemudian midnight sama dengan night. At night, at midnight sama. Tadi in 1 hour pakai in ya. Tadi udah dikasih tahu perasaan Tala. In sama nih. Nah, sama kayak nomor 4. I will finish my homework in 1 hour.
Oke.
Lainnya sudah. Oke, nice work. Zahra, what about you? Sudah selesai? Belum. Oke. Jadi pengucapan jam, kalau ada penyebutan hour, minute, contoh, 2 hours. I'll call you back in 2 hours. Pakainya in. I finish the exercise in 10 minutes. Pakainya in.
Mami, aku udah selesai.
Let me check. Oh, bentar. Ini kayaknya dari Mami nih yang agak delay nih. Oke, sudah. At the weekends yang betul. Ini berarti British English. Boleh pakai on the weekends, boleh pakai at the weekends. Oh, betul semua berarti ini. At the weekends betul ya. Oke, well done, Zahra. Very good. Let's try another exercise. Kita coba exercise berikutnya. Nah, ini yang latihan pertama, write the correct preposition, cuma pilih aja. Sambil biar makin hafal ya. Kalau nama hari, pakai on. Hari perayaan. Easter itu hari Paskah. Berarti hari perayaan agama. On Easter. Ada tanggal. Penggunaan tanggal. Walaupun di sini ada bulan ya. Kalau dibilang kan bulan pakainya in. Tapi ini kalau tanggal pakainya on. Depannya, specific time of the day, pakai the depannya, pakai in the evening. Meal time, pakai at. Lunch time, at breakfast, at dinner. Kemudian pakai present. At present tadi. At the moment. Ya, jadi coba ya. Activity 2, complete the sentences with the correct preposition. Kalau ini ditulis, seperti latihan tadi yang pertama. Pengucapan jam, telling the time, pakainya at. Weekdays, pakainya on weekdays atau at weekdays ya, mirip dengan weekends tadi nih. At 9 o'clock on the weekends.
Oke.
Pakai on juga. Oh, sebentar. Ini kok ada merah, ada merah.
Mami nggak kirim.
Ya, mau dikirim. Bentar ya. There it is.
Oke, kontrol chat.
Penggunaan the weekend, nanti kalau ternyata kunci jawabannya at, berarti pakai British English. Kalian jawabnya pakai on, tetap mami betulin ya. Oke, berarti nomor 1, activity 2, pakainya at nih. Pakai British English nih, ketahuan. Weekend ya, at the weekend. Are you finished? Sudah selesai belum? Iklan. Oke, belum. Can you do it? Ada yang bingung nggak? Let me know if you're confused.
Mami, aku udah selesai. Mami masih di mute.
Oke, sorry. Lupa. Let me check. Cek dulu bentar. Masya Allah, keren. Very good. You got them all correct. Yes, di sini kebetulan pakai British English nih. The weekend-nya pakai at the weekend. Kalau American English pakainya on. Jadi dua-duanya betul. Seandainya nanti umpama Zara ada guru bahasa Inggris yang lain nih, terus nyalahin Zara isinya pakai on the weekend, bilang American English pakainya on the weekends juga. Dua-duanya betul. Diterima dalam grammar. Yes, very good. At the same time, betul. Ada apa ini yang at noon? Yes, penggunaan siang hari noon itu pakainya at, nggak boleh pakai on atau pakai in. In itu depannya pakai the. Ini termasuk specific time, tapi depannya nggak pakai the. Kalau pakai the afternoon pakainya in, the evening pakainya in. Tapi kalau night pakainya at night, at midnight, at noon. Termasuk ini penggunaan in untuk century kemarin tuh ya, abad. Kita di abad ke-21, in the 21st century, in the 18th century, abad ke-18. Di sini ada nggak abad? Oh, ada nih. In the 18th century, pakai in. Perayaan, hari-hari perayaan, perayaan agama Kristen, agama Hindu, Buddha, Islam. Contoh kayak kalau perayaan Waisak umpama ya. On Waisak Day, ada kata day-nya soalnya. On Easter, Easter biasanya belakangnya pakai eve. Christmas pakai eve. Easter Eve, Christmas Eve. Kalau Lebaran kita bisa, kalau di Indonesia bisa nyebutnya Lebaran aja atau Idul Fitr. Idul Fitr udah di bahasa Inggrisin. Excellent work. Let's wait for Gentala. Habis ini ada satu quiz lagi. Sama ya, ngadu lagi. Tinggal melengkapi kalimat.
Belum.
Kerjain dulu.
Alhamdulillah. Ya, alhamdulillah.
Just still at yang my
What's the
grandma
matter?
my
Kenapa?
grandma started
Kenapa?
learning English at the age of
Hah?
40.
Yang mana nomor berapa? Which number, Tala?
7. 7.
7, number 7. My grandma, at the age of 40, ada di atas nih. Yang activity 1 ada the age of 5, pakainya at the age of 5.
Di
At the
7.
age
7.
7, ya, my grandma tadi ya.
Yeah.
My grandma started learning English at the age of 40. Sama dengan activity 1 yang kalimat the age of 5. At the age of 5.
Mama, ada lagi ngeliatin apa?
Kalau the past itu at the past atau in the past.
Lupa belum unmute. In the past.
Kalau future itu in juga ya.
In the future, betul.
Kalau yang sunset itu at the sunset.
Sunset nomor berapa ya?
9.
Number 9. Mana dia? Pakainya at sunset. James proposed to Linda at sunset. At sunrise, termasuk ya sunset tuh matahari terbenam, sunrise terbit, pakainya at juga. At sunrise, at sunset.
Udah selesai belum, Mas?
Belum.
Selesai.
Bingung.
Bingung yang mana? Let me know.
Gak apa, aku cuma bingung dikit aja udah bisa.
Oke.
Udah sampai nomor 13. And I sleep at night.
Yes, that's right.
Kalau yang I watch TV in the evening,
Aha, betul.
and Thursday on Thursday.
Ada apa? Saya dari tadi cuma melakukan ini. Iya, aku mau bersih-bersih. Iya. Beneran.
Kalau itu a minute pakai on a minute.
Pakai pengucapan telling the time, tapi ada penyebutan hour, minute. Pakai apa tadi?
At the minute.
Masa? Pakai apa tadi? Tadi udah betul, sudah ada tuh di awal. Pakai apa tadi?
In a minute.
In a minute, betul.
In the evening on January 2nd.
Lihat. Ada tanggalnya. Jadi jangan terkecoh dengan the evening. Emang kalau
Oke, udah selesai.
Oke.
Belum bilang tapi lagi ku ketik.
Kalau the evening aja baru pakai in the evening. Tapi di belakangnya ada tanggal. Jadi perhatikan tanggalnya. Pengucapan tanggal pakai on. Where were you on the evening of January the 2nd?
Oke, udah aku kirim.
Oke, let me check. Oh, oke, belum. Aduh, Mami buka dulu. Oke, delay di Mami nih berarti.
No, it's 7.
Belum. Tak ya.
It's 7. What do you mean? Why did it got sent?
Are you sure? Udah di-submit? Benar nih.
Of course I submitted.
Udah di-submit benar? Kok belum masuk ya?
Belum.
Oh, udah.
Ada finishnya.
Ya emang udah ada finish dari awal udah main.
Enggak, ada tombol finish.
Iya, tapi kalau udah selesai nggak finishnya nggak keluar. Ada kan?
Enggak.
Ada.
Kalau udah selesai finishnya
Bentar,
bakal
yuk. Kita langsung main quiz ya. Linknya udah ada di chat Zoom. Kayaknya delay dari Mami nih. Tala belum masuk. Mudah-mudahan bentar lagi masuk. Ya, silakan. Quiznya sudah ada linknya di chat Zoom. Cuma tinggal melengkapi. Pilihannya sudah ada.
Oke, send me datang terus. Kasih ke aku aja. Mas,
Oke.
dikirim doang. I know you thought something.
I didn't type something. What do you mean? Just open it.
Oh, okay.
They told you.
Please come over.
Jack and Sandra went to New York last week. X, betul, no preposition. Last week, they went up sailing from skyscrapers in Manhattan. Is it on, in, or at Saturday afternoon? Remember the days of the week we use on. Very good. On Saturday afternoon. Great. Let's see whether your answers are correct. Excellent work.
In the morning, decorations. Okay, good. Yay!
Julie is having a party on Saturday. On Saturday evening, she's going to make a chocolate cake in the morning and put up the decoration. Put up the decoration ini artinya masang dekorasi pesta ya. Blank 8 p.m. telling the time. We use at with telling the time. At 8 p.m. specific time of the day, pakai in.
Sebentar, Mami.
At 8 p.m. blank in the evening. Use in with the specific time of the day. In the evening, they had a trip on a speedboat.
Let's go. I'm going to just jerk and now with answers. Nice. Yippee.
They flew home blank Monday. Days of the week we use on with it. They flew. Jadi kalau nama hari pakai on. They flew home on Monday. Telling the time, we use at.
At 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Yes, very good. That's correct. In the evening. Well done.
The afternoon on Saturday. Submit answers.
Let's try.
This.
What about this one? The class
Swimming.
went to the airport.
In the morning,
yes.
and delicious fresh fish and fruit. Time on
in the afternoon. On Saturday, June the 14th. Yes, betul.
Sekarang tidak ku bernyanyi.
Last weekend, they went swimming in the morning, specific time of the day.
Kenapa bisa aku?
And ate delicious fresh fish and fruit.
Please come over at the evening.
Lunchtime.
In the evening.
Meal of the day. We use at with meals of the day. At breakfast, at lunch, at dinner. On the last day, they went scuba diving. Udah nomor berapa nih, Zahra? Udah selesai jangan-jangan nih, Zahra nih? Tahun, jangan lupa. Years, pakainya in. In 2050.
Wow. Aku kenal mau. Oh, ya.
I want to get up. Oh, terputus. Very early in the morning
Kok kita
to
kelip ya?
watch. Oh, tadi keputus. Alhamdulillah bisa balik. To watch the sunrise, so my alarm clock will go off at telling the time pakainya at. My birthday is in the summer. Jangan lupa musim pakainya in. It's on the August 10. Kalau tanggal pakainya on. Walaupun depannya ada bulan atau ada nama harinya. I have invited my friends to come around at 2 p.m. to make pizza and eat ice cream. Ini kayaknya number 11 tala banget nih. I went to bed at 9:30 p.m. on Sunday, but I was thinking about my computer game. Yang ini tala mikirin coding nih. This sentence sounds like you, Tala. Look at number 11. I went to bed at 9 p.m. on Sunday, but I was thinking about my computer game, and I was still awake at midnight.
Okay.
So I was tired in the morning. Century, abad, pakainya in, sama dengan years, dengan months, dengan seasons. My mom and dad were born in last century. But I was born, oh sorry, ada last-nya. Last century, ingat ada last-nya. Last nggak pakai preposisi ya. My mom and dad were born last century, but I was born in the 21st century. I was born blank exactly midday. At midday. At noon, at night.
Oh.
Oh, udah ada Zahra. 3 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Udah ada Zahra duluan rupanya. Nanti bisa diulang lagi biar makin hafal tanpa perlu menghafal. Hafal karena sering dipakai latihan. Terputus lagi. Alhamdulillah ta'ala and Zahra. Can you hear me? Kedengeran? Oh, kayaknya mic-nya nih, speakernya lagi.
Enggak, oke.
Sudah, alhamdulillah. Alright, so that's the end of today's lesson. Alhamdulillah, bahasan tentang prepositions of time tuntas. Sering-sering dimainin kuisnya biar makin apa ya. Insya Allah berarti next meeting kita main Kahoot. Nanti at the end of the month, di akhir bulan ada evaluasi. Evaluasinya setelah 2 bahasan ya. Jadi setelah prepositions of time, nanti kita bahasan 1 pelajaran lagi, baru kita evaluasi 2 materi tadi. Nggak kayak ujian, jadi hanya evaluasi aja, selain evaluasinya pakai Kahoot. Alright. Thank you so much, Tala and Zahra, for joining my class. I'll see you again on Friday at 9, inshallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, you two. Have a good day.